No, just sufficiency from there is no good.
You said there's no AC?
No.
Okay, got you.
Water tanks.
And that's the good about O&E's. Everybody pays their own
Yeah.
bills.
It's a challenge to get separate meters.
Well, that's I know a lot of them.
You know what's going on here?
That was we just had a freeze up, and this is one of the things that this is on a maintenance order now.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, it's dripping from one of the. Yep. We just had to deal with that last Wednesday or this Wednesday. But we got a lot of properties. We got a
freeze
lot
and things like that.
Yeah, that polar blast.
Yeah. And this goes up to the two apartments,
Okay.
1 and 2. So they would have access to the basement. So that would be apartment 1, apartment 1 and apartment 2 downstairs.
Okay. Are there any washer and dryer?
Wash and dryer hookup, there is no, it was here, but this particular owner doesn't want them to do it because there's a laundromat right
Oh, makes
down the
sense.
street.
You don't want to
Not
run
to
the
mention
water
the
bill.
water
Yeah,
bill.
if you don't want to run the, yeah, he paid.
Yeah, man, you look a lot taller down here.
Yeah. Basements are really.
So the
not my
water's
friend.
not separate now.
Right. Water and sewer.
Yeah,
No.
water and sewer he pays.
Are all of these 2-1s?
What do you mean by that?
Oh, 2 bed, 1 bath.
They're all 2 bedrooms and 1 bath.
Okay.
Yes.
No, I think Richard mentioned the water bill fluctuating between like $4 and $4.50.
It's running between 4 and 450 a month. Yes.
Okay.
They're all full. The rents we increased.
When did you increase it?
2 months ago. How you doing? Sorry about coming through again. We're gonna deal with that. Okay. So these will be the kitchen. This will be the kitchen.
Are the appliances included? Or?
They're included. That would be your front bedroom. There.
Now, I asked Richard about the leases. Are they, how long?
1 year. 1 year. 1 year lease.
Did they just renew?
Some of them just renewed.
Okay.
When we took the bill, they were 4 something. We brought the rents up to 550.
Oh, yeah, okay.
We are. Yep, it's on the list. So as you can see, the kitchens are basically need.
That's what you refer to as not updates. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, I'm sure.
Okay.
In the bathroom, this one is the bathroom. This is where I got some time to go there. And they're all the same units.
Same
They're all
layout?
The same layout.
Okay.
Yep. So it should be like a new touch around in there. So that should all be. Yeah, you just what you do, you just put a new touch around
Yeah.
right in there.
Want to see?
Yeah.